I don't like that at all. Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. We are going to be unboxing the Glossybox Mother's Day Special Edition boxes. So before we jump into the video and all the information, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess, which I'm gonna have to ask that you guys definitely embrace it today, because I decided to do a little bit of sunless tanning. And typically what I do is I go ahead, I do my entire body, including my hands. I leave it on my hands for about, I don't know, 30 to 45 minutes, and then I wash it off. Well, last night I did my normal routine, and then I fell asleep. So I'm looking like a hot doggone mess today, but it's okay, because over here it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, have a good time, and remember, it's just sunless tanner. It washes off. I can't believe I did that. It was so funny because I woke up this morning and I was like, oh crap. I mean, like, yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so Glossybox did send over 2 of their Mother's Day boxes. The reason that they did this is because these are the boxes that are going to be available. They are limited edition boxes, so you will receive one of the 2. I do believe that both boxes have the exact same thing in here. A little information, it says there will be 2 different box designs for this limited edition box, and then it will have over $218 worth of goodies in here. It is 8 skincare and makeup goodies. All coupon codes, link to sign up, and everything will be down below if you guys are interested in picking up one of the Glossy boxes. So again, this is a limited edition Mother's Day box, and let me show you guys. They are the same type of design, it's just the colors are different. And I always tell y'all, I absolutely love Glossybox boxes because I just feel like they're so beautiful to, you know, not only for regifting but for storage as well. So when we open it up, it looks like this on the inside. Glossybox always has amazing packaging. So we are going to have a little card in here. So it says handpicked just for you, and then it says a Glossybox. So inside it does show you everything that is in this box, and it does look like you will get a retail value of each item, which is very, very nice. So look at this. The first item in here is by Bumble & Bumble. I love, love, love this brand. This is the Surf Styling Leave-In, and it's for soft sea-swept waves with UV protection. This sounds nice. It's a beachy cream gel, conditions, detangles, and fights frizz for soft sea-swept waves. So this is a full-size product right here, and again, it's by Bumble & Bumble, and it does have a retail value of $29. I absolutely love this brand. Ooh, this smells so nice and clean. That is really nice. The next in here that I see is a perfume. It says Angel. Is it? I don't know. I've never heard of this brand before, but that is the inside of it. Let's give her a sniff. Well, that smells different. I need to let it sit. I mean, I always like to try out new perfumes. Next in here, okay, I don't like that. Oh, I don't like that at all. Oh, shoot fire. Shoot fire. I'll be right back. Okay, so I mean, I know I'm not reviewing the perfume. It has softened up. You guys know I have mass allergies, and most scents aren't strong to me. I wouldn't feel like this was strong. It was just, it had a funky smell to it. It was just like the original first sink in. I was like, oh, this is not it. This is not it. So the next item in here is Authentic Beauty Concept, and it says that this is a travel size replenishing mask for your hair. It is free of parabens and silicones, and it will help to strengthen the hair fiber and helps to restore the cuticle. Now this size right here does have a retail value of $10. I'm so sorry about the hands. It is what it is, okay? It is what it is. And a full size of this is a retail value of $38. The next item in here is by Snowfox. This is the Herbal Youth Oil. It is plant-based, potent, and pure. How cute is the box? Isn't that so cute? This, I would say, is definitely a full-size item with a retail value of $82. How cute is that? So that is the dropper. Now I have a lot of facial oils and facial products open right now, so I am going to set this aside for now. This actually says it is Nature's Botox in a bottle, so maybe I will be opening this up. It says it's a lightweight facial oil that helps to slow the signs of aging on a cellular level. It's antioxidant 7-blend oil. Formula smooths out fine lines and prevents new ones from forming. That sounds very promising. The next item in here, this is a brand that I really like, and this is the CBD Cosmetics. We've been seeing this in a lot of subscriptions lately, and the last one I received was in a different subscription. It was their lip oil, which is super comfortable. I think this was in another Glossybox maybe, and it was like this really pretty peachy nude color. This is more of like a deeper mauve burgundy, but it's actually really pretty. I don't notice a scent on this, but I could also be smelling that perfume. But I love the component. I love that you can see. And this, I know I've tried this formula out before, and it is a very comfortable formula. And just real quick, retail value of this product is $18, and it does say it is a deep plum shade. That's exactly what you need to top off the sophisticated look. And the thing with this color, I think it would be really pretty with like an all natural kind of nude eye look. I think it'd be really pretty. Okay, so the next item in here is Cbd Relief Cream. It's organic essentials. This is a travel size. It does have a retail value of this size of $8. So you are receiving $8 worth. Full size is $54.99. It says taking care of your body makes a huge difference for your whole beauty routine. This natural hemp lotion with organic essential oils provides soothing relief to muscle pain, joint stiffness, and nerve pain, so you can quickly get back to doing the things you love. So I love products, honestly, with hemp extract in it. The next is by Bioderma, and this is I don't even know what this is. Shine Control Moisturizer. So it's a travel size product. This particular size, it has $12.50 worth, and it says targets excess shine and gently mattifies your skin for 8 hours with a lightweight moisturizer, and it does reduce the appearance of imperfections while tightening pores and preventing them from getting clogged, smoothing out the skin's surface and texture. And then we have one final product in here by Velvet Trends. It's in a nice little drawstring bag. Oh my gosh, it's a pair of glasses. Oh my gosh, this is actually really cute. You know what? I need more sunglasses because I am queen of I like them. I'm queen of breaking them, sitting on them, losing them. I think these are precious. This is absolutely adorable. Okay, so this is everything in this limited edition glossy box. I'll have all information on how to sign up. I mean, this is $218 worth of products here, and typically the glossy boxes will run you as little as like $16, and they always give me a coupon code to save you all money as far as that goes when you sign up for your first glossy box. Their glossy box limited edition boxes are always such a good deal in my opinion. I mean, you get majority of full-size products, a couple travel size items, but all in all, I feel like it's a really, really good deal. Let me double check real quick on the other box to make sure it's the same product. So everything in here is the exact same as what you all just saw. The only difference is going to be the outside of the boxes. Again, all information with the coupon code will be listed and linked down below for you all. Before I end today's video, I do want to say a big thank you to Flora. I don't know if I'm saying this right. Is it Marche? I think they did send this over to me via Octoly, and so this was sent over to me to test out. What these are CBD patches. They have 20 milligrams hemp extract, so I did test a couple of them out, and I have to say I got the best flippin' sleep with this patch. Like, I'll take like melatonin sometimes or magnesium to fall asleep at night, but I don't necessarily always stay asleep. This I did. It was so relaxing and so calming, and I have to say this one actually worked. This one, it says 1 patch, 12-hour use, and again, it has the 20 milligrams of hemp in there, so you guys know I use CBD oil, so I do definitely feel like it does work well for me, and so I thought the patch worked really nice. I haven't tried the other ones out just yet. This one is Relief Please. This does have peppermint oil and CBD, so I felt like maybe after a hard workout I'll be using this one. This, I guess, if you need like a libido boost, they have this one in there. So then the other one that I did try was Energy Please, because as you guys know, your girl's always struggling on the energy train. So I felt like for me, the one that I noticed the biggest difference was the Sleep Please. I really noticed it, and I really wish I had more of these. Little information about these patches. They are $6 for one. 4 packs is $22 and 8 packs is $42. So I'm wondering if you could take 1 patch and maybe cut it into 4s, if that would work as well. Maybe not, I don't really know, but I have to say I really did like it. I did enjoy it, and I definitely did notice a big difference as far as that went. So I will have information on these patches linked down below if you all are interested. Again, let me know your thoughts on the limited edition Glossybox. If there's any codes, coupons, all of that, it'll be down in the description box as well. Thank you to Glossybox for sending this over my way to unbox and review for you all. I greatly appreciate it. I definitely feel like you're getting amazing products, and this would make a great Mother's Day gift. Except for this, I'm not a huge fan on that one. I can still smell it, but it's definitely not as bad as it was. That was like full-blown panic mode. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, don't forget to give me a follow over on Instagram. We are so flippin' close to that 10K. I will get there. I know I will. It's just all in God's time. All in His time. Don't forget to give me a follow over on my second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs. I do a lot of plus size curvy girl fashion hauls. I actually have a Yvette sportswear haul coming very soon. Actually, I think I'm going to post it on May 1st for you all. Amazing products, so definitely make sure to stay tuned over there for that haul and many more to come. Until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! These hands, oh, these hands.